What if I told you that your skincare routine doesn't begin with your cleanser, but with your breakfast? It sounds strange, right? But it's true because glowing clear skin doesn't start in the bathroom at all. It starts from the inside. Many people think breakouts are just surface problems. They keep scrubbing, masking, and layering products. But the real glow, that begins with what you eat, what you drink, and how you care for your body overall. Welcome to Bolveek Health, connecting you to better health. Here, we explore the little habits that make a big difference for your skin, your energy, and your overall wellness. At Bolveek, we believe one simple truth: healthy living translates to a better life. So, if you care about your body, your peace of mind, and your inner glow, you are exactly where you should be. Before we proceed, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you never miss a wellness tip. Alright, now let's talk about your skin and why the best skincare routine starts from the inside out. Grab your water bottle and let us begin. Part 1: How to nourish your skin from the inside. Your skin is your body's largest organ. It reflects everything that's happening inside of you. So let's start with 5 key things that makes a real difference. Number 1, hydration. That's your skin's natural filter system. Think of your skin like a sponge. When it's dry, it looks dull and tired. When it's hydrated, it's smooth, plump, and glowing. Water helps flush out toxins, carry nutrients, and maintain elasticity. So, drink enough water. Aim for about 8 glasses a day. But don't forget, water-rich foods count too. So eat more cucumbers, watermelons, oranges. They hydrate you and they also taste amazing. So it's a win-win. And yes, coffee and soda don't count. Sorry. Number 2, a balanced diet. Feed your glow, not your breakouts. Here's a fun fact. Sugar and junk food can actually make your skin oily and prone to acne. When your blood sugar spikes, your insulin rises, and that triggers more oil production. So instead of cutting out everything you love, focus on balance. Fill your plate with whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, and colorful veggies. The more color on your plate, the better your skin will thank you. Number 3, skin-loving nutrients, your glow team. Some nutrients work like magic for your skin. Here are a few of those nutrients that your body loves. Vitamin A and E. They reduce inflammation and help renew your skin cells. Zinc. It keeps oil in check and helps heal breakouts faster. And omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon, chia seeds, and walnuts. They calm redness and keep your skin smooth. Number 4, gut health, the secret connection. Now, believe it or not, your gut and your skin are very much connected. When your gut is unhappy, it shows on your skin. You get acne, dullness, even eczema. They can all be traced back to your gut. So add probiotics like yogurt, coffee, or fermented foods. Then feed them with prebiotics, things like oats, bananas, and garlic. When your gut is balanced, your skin naturally glows. Number 5, know your triggers. That means you have to eat smart, not strict. For many people, dairy, refined sugar, and greasy food can trigger breakouts. It doesn't mean you must avoid them forever, but be mindful. Everything should be in moderation. Now that you've cared for your skin from the inside, let's move to what happens on the outside, your daily skincare habits. So part 2, we'll be caring for your skin from the outside. Before we jump into steps, remember this: good skincare isn't about 10 different products. Nope, it's about using the right things the right way and being consistent. So, step 1, gentle cleansing. Cleansing isn't about scrubbing your face like it owes you money. No, it's about removing dirt, oil, and bacteria gently. So use a mild pH balanced cleanser. Wash your face twice a day, morning and night. If your skin feels tight after doing that, then your cleanser is too harsh. Step 2. Hydrate and protect your barrier. After cleansing, your skin needs moisture. A good moisturizer will lock in hydration and strengthens your skin barrier. So look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, ceramide, or glycerin. They help your skin stay soft and smooth all day. And yes, even oily skin needs moisturizer. Hydration keeps your skin balanced. Step 3. Sunscreen. The real anti-aging secret. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this: never skip sunscreen. Even when you're indoors, UV rays sneak through your windows and your screens. They break down collagen and cause dark spots over time. So, use a lightweight SPF 30 or higher every single day. Step 4. Keep it simple and consistent. I always tell people, you don't need a complicated 10-step routine. Nope. Just do simple things. Start simple. Cleanse, moisturize, protect. That's it. Once your skin feels balanced, you can slowly add extras like niacinamide or salicylic acid, but only one at a time. And be patient. Good skin comes from consistency and never chaos. Step 5. Hygiene habits. The small things. How do they say it? It's the little things that matter. Yeah, small things do matter. Now, here's the part people often forget. You can do all the right skincare steps, but if your pillowcases are dirty, your phone screen is dirty or oily, or you are consistently touching your face, you are undoing your own hard work. So, change your pillowcase every week. Wipe your phone screen and hands, and please keep your hands off your face. Part 3. Mind, body, and stress. Your skin also listens to your emotions. Stress releases cortisol, and cortisol leads to more oil and inflammation. So, breathe, rest, and move your body. Sleep well, eat mindfully, and take time to unwind. Even small things like staying off your phone late at night makes a difference. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep, so give it that chance. Here's the truth. Healthy skin is not about perfection. It's about balance. It's what you eat, what you drink, how you live, and how you care for yourself every day. So, eat clean, stay hydrated, use gentle care, and live stress-free. That's your real skincare routine. Because beauty isn't just what's on your face or what you put on your face. It's what flows from within. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who is on their clear skin journey. Until next time, stay healthy, stay radiant, and remember, your glow begins from within. See you in the next one. Bye.